in a magical place where dreams take flight. Every bedtime glows in gentle light.
At the edge of the great forest of Leora, a girl named Ayla rises with the sun. Her heart beats with the forest, every leaf, every bird, every whisper of wind. Ayla closes her eyes, hearing the trees' whispers like a melody.
The forest speaks through you, child. Never ignore its voice.
The sound of axes and carts breaks the peace. Strange men unload tools near the forest edge. Ayla watches from the shadows. The hard tree glows faintly. Ayla touches its bark, hearing its warning. If the roots fall, life fades.
But the greatest wealth is in the living sound. In the rustling leaves.
Ayla confronts the loggers by the river.
This forest breathes life. You cannot cut it down.
We take what we need. Step aside, girl.
Talon, the logger's son, secretly approaches Ayla.
I don't want this either, but they won't listen to me.
The logger's machines disturb the land. The sky darkens. A storm brews. The hard tree trembles.
The hard tree can heal, but only if one with pure spirit defends it.
He hands Ayla a necklace carved from forest stone.
Forgive me.
Caught between loyalty and truth, Talon hesitates but ends up guiding his father to the hard tree. An axe strikes the hard tree. The ground shakes. Animals cry out. Ayla screams.
Stop. Harm this tree, and you harm all life.
Ayla blocks the loggers. She spreads her arms wide, necklace glowing.
Can't put a price on sky so blue.
Talon throws his axe into the river.
I won't let you destroy it.
He joins Ayla, standing between loggers and the tree. Roots rise, vines whip. The forest itself defends Ayla. The loggers flee in terror. Ayla kneels, placing her necklace into the cracked bark. Light surges, healing the hard tree. The forest lived because one girl listened, and because one boy chose courage. Ayla and Talon walk together under the glowing canopy.
Every acre in